This is the kind of AI feature that could quietly change what a normal workday feels like. OpenAI is trying to make ChatGPT the place where the busy work between your apps gets handled for you. Not just answering questions. Actually moving work. According to Pulse 2.0, OpenAI has introduced workspace agents in ChatGPT. These are shared agents for teams, not just personal prompts, and they are meant to handle multi-step workflows across an organization. That matters because the real pain at work is usually not one hard task. It is the chain. Slack message, then doc, then spreadsheet, then dashboard, then approval, then handoff, then follow-up. Workspace agents are supposed to sit in the middle of that chain. The article says they can keep running in the cloud even when you go offline. They can gather data from connected systems, request approvals when needed, and move work between teams instead of leaving it half-finished in somebody's inbox. OpenAI also says teams can describe a workflow inside ChatGPT, then build, test, and deploy the agent from there. So the big pitch is not just smarter chat. It is fewer tiny coordination chores. And that is where the everyday future angle shows up. If this works, the new habit at work is less app hopping and more asking one shared workspace to finish the whole chain for you. The early use cases are very office core, weekly business reports, software request reviews, routing product feedback, qualifying sales leads, and third-party risk assessments. In other words, exactly the repetitive knowledge work that burns time without feeling important. But OpenAI is also being careful here. The report says admins can control permissions, tool access, approvals, and monitoring, and the feature is only in research preview for ChatGPT Business, Enterprise, Edu, and Teachers plans right now. It is free only through early May 2026 before moving to credit-based pricing. So the verdict is not that your company just got robot coworkers tomorrow. It is that OpenAI is trying to turn ChatGPT from a tab you visit into a workspace that absorbs several other tabs. And if that idea lands, the daily habit that disappears first is not writing. It is juggling.